Hello guys, welcome to Coding Type. In today's video, we are going to learn about a code which will take a multi-digit number from the user and it will extract each digit of the number in reverse order and print it. So let's go through the code. Here in the first line you can see the necessary header file. It includes the standard input output library allowing the users uh, the use of the functions like printf, print output, and scanf to take input. Now, in the line 3, I have declared the main function here. This is the entry point of the program where the execution starts. Now, in the line 5, I have declared the variables. Now, I have declared here three variables. The num variable will hold the number entered by the user. The rem variable will store the remainder when divided num by 10, essentially extracting each digit. And c equal to 0 discount, this is a counter which will keep track of how many digits the number has. Now, in the next line, I have used the printf function. It will prompt the user to enter a number having multiple digits. It will print on the console. Enter a number having multiple digits, which will trigger the user to, which will prompt the user to give an input. Now, here I have written just an example 4275. Now in the next line, in the scanf function reads the integer entered by the user and stores it in the variable num here. This is scanf function. I have already told you about it. Now here I am starting a for loop with no initialization or increment expression. The loop runs as long as number is greater than 0. Now, here in the line, remainder equal to rem equal to number divided by 10. This line extract the last digit of the number using the modulus operator. This is the modulus operator, which is a percent sign. For example, if number 4275 is taken, the first remainder will be 5. Now, in the next line, the num equal to num by 10. This divides the number by 10 to remove the last digit. For example, if num equal to 4275, it becomes 47 after a division. Now here in the printf statement, this prints the extracted digit followed by a tab. Now in the next line, I've written c equal to c plus 1. This increments the digit counter c to keep track of how many digits have been processed. The loop continues until the num becomes 0, at which point all the digits will have been processed. Now here in the line 14, I have used the printf function again, printing the total number of digits. Suppose if I take 4275 as an example, it will show that it has 4 digits. After a loop finishes, the line prints the total number of digits stored in C here. And in the last line, I have written the return 0 statement. It signals the end of the main function and it returns 0, indicating that the program has finished successfully. Now let's build and run the program. Here you can see it is. Let me just show it side by side so you guys can understand. Here, on the console you can see it is showing enter a number having multiple digits. It tells the user to put an input. So I am giving the input 4275. That here I have written the 4275. I am also giving this input. I press enter. Here you can see that the numbers are 5, 7, 2, 4. Here you can see number of digits 4. Now I am going to explain how it works. I have here taken a for loop. So first iteration, it will take the 4275, it will divide by 10, the remainder is 5. Then the number 4275 is divided by 10, equal to number 427. The digit 5 is printed and the counter becomes 1. In the second iteration, the remainder 47 is divided by 10. So the remainder is 7. And the number 47 is divided by 10 and the number becomes 42. The digit 7 is printed and C becomes 2. The third iteration, the remainder 42 is divided by 10 and the remainder 2 is there. And the number 42 is divided by 10 and the number 4 remains. The digit 2 is printed and C becomes 3. In the fourth iteration, the remainder 4 is divided by 10 and the remainder is 4. And the number 4 is divided by 10, the number becomes 0. The digit 4 is printed and C becomes 4. Now num becomes 0, so the loop exits. The program prints number of digits 4. Thank you. See you again in the next video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.